those of you that don't know me, this is my former job. I was safety Greg. I enjoyed it dearly till a work-related incident pushed me into retirement. Enough of that. The trike that I purchased, which is a Honda VTX 1300C with the Champion trike kit of the year 2007, has been phenomenal. Yes, I've done some upgrades. You've probably seen those upgrades. But as time goes on, things happen that need some maintenance. And this happens to be a part you just can't go out and buy. The tail lights, which are LED, had both failed at different times, but they both failed. I researched and researched and researched, and I cannot find a replacement tail light. Well, I take that back, except one, which was not in a red lens. It had a white lens. So they wouldn't have matched. I'd have to replace them both. And I don't know how well they'd fit the actual teardrop shape of the Champion trike. I did see a very short video of someone who took one of these lights apart. So that's what I did. So what you're going to need is a series of, let me get these open, very small flat screwdrivers. The Phillips aren't going to help you. You need the flat ones. And you very gently separate the lens from the back plate. The adhesive will give. It's very stubborn, but it's not welded on. It's done with an adhesive, and you can separate the two as you see in the photo. Or once you've got the lens separated, you can unscrew it. You can unscrew it from the back plate, and then you can look at the wires on the back side. And as you see on both of those lights, there was a broken wire. One function or the other quit, whether it was the turn signal, the brake light, or the running light. So then you just have to break out your soldering iron, solder them back on, reassemble it. I sealed mine in silicone. Once the silicone is cured, you can put the lens back in, test it, and for me, it was voila, as you can see by the final video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I did for a living. Not anymore. Now I make videos.
All right, we got turn signal and we got running light. Is this side still working? I'm not doing turn signal, but hey, we got a brake light. Woohoo! We'll get her back on the road.
Call me an overachiever. The trunk, upper trunk, the LED strip was broken. So I purchased a low-cost LED strip that had turn signals, brake lights, and running lights. And that's what you see installed up there in the circle. And I tied it into the wiring harness under the seat, and it works phenomenally. So now, if my teardrops fail again, I've got a backup system for lighting.
We thank all of our viewers and subscribers, and look forward to giving you many more adventures.